Liam has the hiccups. Liam has the hiccups. Liam. Liam. You have the hiccup?
Some women can do anything to find a husband. Others will do anything to lose one.
I tried to scare you?
I can't imagine someone doing that to someone that they supposedly love.
But what looks like burning passion is actually ice cold and calculated.
What's that? Cruel and unusual way to die.
Morgantown, Virginia, 2005. Former star cheerleader Michelle Michael loves being the center of attention. Michelle Michael is a very narcissistic person. And for the narcissist,
Hi, Gammy. Hi, Gammy.
and how do they look?
Hi, Gammy. Ooh.
Everything had to be perfect. But it wasn't.
Gammy.
28-year-old Michelle is married, but she's looking for a new man. She wants a richer one.
Michelle Michael's standard morals was very lax, so she slept with a lot of people during her life.
Bye.
At the hospital